Is your camera acting weird? Or maybe it's just not giving you the results you want anymore? Well, in this quick video, I'm going to show you two simple ways to reset all of your camera settings back to their default state. And it's really easy, so just follow my steps carefully. So first, I'm going to open the Settings app on my iPhone. From here, we'll scroll down and tap on General, right here in the middle of the list. Once you're in that section, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page until you see Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap Reset. Now, one of the ways we can restore all camera settings is by choosing Reset All Settings. This basically resets every setting on your iPhone back to its original factory state, including your camera preferences, but without deleting any of your personal data, apps, or photos. It's completely safe to do. You won't lose your pictures or messages or anything like that. What this does is it puts all of your iPhone settings back to the way they were when you first got the phone out of the box. Things like your Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, keyboard settings, and camera options will all go back to their default values. It's a really good fix if you've changed a lot of different settings over time and you're not exactly sure what caused the problem with your camera. But there are a few small downsides to keep in mind. After you do the reset, you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks, repair any Bluetooth devices, and turn back on your preferred settings again. It doesn't delete anything important, but it can take a few minutes to get everything set back up the way you like it. If you don't want to go through that whole process, there's also a second method that resets only the camera settings, and it's much faster. So, let's do that next. I'm going to open the Settings app one more time. This time, scroll down until you find the camera section and tap on it. Now, this is where all your camera preferences are located. Your job from here is just to make sure that all of these camera settings match exactly what you see on my screen. Apple doesn't give us a specific Reset Camera Settings button inside this menu. So the best way to get the same result is to go through these options manually and set them back to how they were when the phone was brand new. So as you follow along, make sure your main options, like photographic styles, record video, formats, and preserve settings, are set exactly the same way I'm showing you. For example, when you're in the Format section, make sure High Efficiency is selected. That's the default. In record video, it should say 1080p at 60 frames per second. Under record slow-mo, set it to 1080p at 120 frames per second. And in record cinematic, make sure it's 1080p at 30 frames per second. Those are the factory defaults for most iPhones right out of the box. Then scroll down and check Preserve Settings. Everything in that section should be switched off, since new iPhones don't preserve any previous modes or adjustments by default. In photographic styles, keep it set to standard. And for options like scan QR codes and show detected text, both of those should be on, while use volume up for burst should be off. I'll put all of these screenshots and short screen recordings on the video right now so you can pause and match them one by one. Take your time and go through each setting carefully. It only takes a few minutes. Once you've made those changes, your camera settings will be completely restored to their factory defaults, just like they were the day you first set up your iPhone. After that, close the camera app, reopen it, and take a quick test photo or video. You should notice that everything feels smoother and more responsive again, especially autofocus, exposure, and color balance. And that's it. Two quick and easy ways to bring your iPhone camera back to normal. Now, if this trick worked for you, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to drop a like if the video helped you out. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more quick iPhone fixes and tutorials. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. And I'll see you soon.